The oil change and a spark plug. Alright, that's up in there. As far as you can go with the finger, tighten her up now.
Can't say we ain't outside. Look.
That thing right here? Yeah, I don't know. That's hard. That's for them to put the race thing in there.
Yeah.
The race gas.
Police right there. Look.
Man, they ain't on shit. They know. Leave it gone.
You can't lift up my bike, can you?
You didn't lift it up for it.
Niggas outside. Stop playing.
I come back around, bro.
I fell early, cousin.
Hell,
Yeah, wiped out.
he robbed it too.
I got folded, girl. Me too. Look at me. I got folded, girl.
Camera, look who outside. Hey, hold on. Look who outside. He outside today.
Outside, man.
Yeah. And he on the KTM? He on the KTM with it?
My baby.
Oh, playing with it. No panic zone. Let me see what the back say. Woo. Yeah, cuz, you ready, guys? Ready?
he got that shit on video. When they got fucked up.
Yeah, we was
I want to see
crying.
all that. Laughing. That day was lit.
Yeah. He ain't never seen that.
I'm about to roll up. Where the rap at, man? This guy got my weed, man. He get lost on the route. I ain't seen them since the... Oh, shit. Dude, y'all got fucked up. I ain't fucking with you, man.
Hey, my God. Yeah.
That shit was crazy, cuz. Fuck you, cuz. Look at my bike, man. Thorn bushes, arrow in me, bro. I'm bleeding everywhere. This shit ain't funny, cuz. Today was the day I'm done coming to the wood with these cats, bro. Look at my baby. Bullet come around the corner like, yo, I'm like, I'm down. The funny part is this shit won't even come out. Bro, my shit, I was all the way in the bush, bulling. I swear to God, I felt that first thorn bush, bro. So bad. So I got thorns all in my legs. My drawers. Cuz, go ahead, cuz. Raw footage, all conditions there.
He got it out.
Look at my roof. Oh my goodness.
Hey, y'all should have shown
Keep her on his microphone.
Photo like this.
There's thorns all in me. I'm bleeding. I got blood on my back, cuz.
I look like a bitch was just grabbing the shit out.
That's going on the wall. Foot juice. You might do a foot juice for me.
Oh
My God. Sponsored by Crocs. All conditions.
sir.
That shit, bro. I got that. Is it inside your helmet?